My name is Richard Jin. I'm the Clinical Director of RJ Clinical Institute, the Chief Scientist for Benev Company Incorporated, and the President of Salem Biomedical. Well, my academic background spans back a little over a decade. I did my MD PhD at Boston University and the Brigham. I focused on antioxidant biology, reactive oxygen species, oxidant stress, and growth factor technology. So going back on years and years of primary research on growth factors and its beneficial effects on collagen production and overall skin rejuvenation, we've come to the point now with exosomes, which are extracellular vesicles that have been shown to actually have a more beneficial effect than growth factors themselves. And we kind of have to ask ourselves why and what are exosomes in general. So in a nutshell, exosomes are vesicles that are naturally produced by cells that carry all the critical ingredients, including DNA, RNA, microRNA, proteins that facilitate cell growth and regeneration. Well, there are several functions of exosomes, namely in terms of skin rejuvenation. You have to think about what types of cells that you're primarily affecting, right? So you're primarily affecting fibroblasts and their ability to proliferate or multiply, as well as elastin production, collagen production. And exosomes have been shown to increase cell growth or proliferation of the fibroblasts by up to 80%. Studies have also shown an up to 300% increase in elastin production. And last but not least, exosomes have been shown to be taken up and increase neocollagenesis by up to 6-fold. So undoubtedly, growth factors have been shown through many published articles to stimulate fibroblasts and be beneficial for skin rejuvenation. But what exosomes represent are vesicles that carry more than just growth factors themselves. Again, they carry other proteins, they carry other signaling molecules, they carry microRNA that can help modulate downstream mechanisms associated with fibroblast growth, collagen production, elastin production, and overall skin rejuvenation. So when we talk about the difference between lyophilized exosomes and exosomes that are purified and kept in a different form or frozen, either from placental tissue or amniotic cells or other types of sources, the main difference is when you lyophilize it, you actually preserve the biological activity of the exosomes. You have to think that the exosomes have proteins, growth factors, other components in them that when they're exposed to changes in temperature, by essence, they degrade and they lose their activity. So you have to look at it, if you can lyophilize them, preserve the activity of the exosomes, you actually preserve the regenerative capacity or the capability of the exosomes themselves.